Hello students, in previous lecture we discussed about what is benzyl chloride and how to prepare that benzyl chloride by using different methods. Now in this video we are going to discuss the chemical reactions taking place by or carried out by the benzyl chloride. As we already know that this is a benzyl chloride or structure for benzyl chloride. So here two types of reaction can be carried out. Yes, obviously substitution, two types of substitution reaction can be carried out by this benzyl chloride. How it is? When the substitution takes place at this side chain, then that type of substitution is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So whenever this Cl get substituted by either by OH, Cl or another nucleophile, then it is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. And whenever substitution takes place on benzene ring, then that is a second kind of substitution which is called as a electrophilic substitution reaction. So one by one we discuss both type of substitution reaction. First we will start with the substitution that is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now what we are going to do? We are going to substitute this Cl from the side chain by different group. Which group? First we substitute with hydroxyl group, then we substitute with cyanide group, then we substitute it by NH2 group, then we substitute it by OR group, and then by COOR means ester group. So we are going to carry out all these substitution one by one. So we proceed for first, that is substitution by hydroxyl group. So whenever this benzyl chloride reacts with strong alkali, that is either aqueous KOH or it may be aqueous NaOH. Now what do you mean by this aqueous? Yes, aqueous means what? Now this KOH and NaOH, they are in powdered form and we have to make the solution of it. So when we use solvent water to make a solution, that solution is called as aqueous solution. So we prepare solution of KOH means potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide in water. That solution is called as aqueous solution of it. So whenever this benzyl chloride reacts with strong alkali, what happens? Substitution takes place. How? The Cl gets substituted by OH. And what we get? Here this Cl becomes OH. So what is this compound? Yes, in previous method of preparation we know this is a benzyl alcohol. So whenever this benzyl chloride react with aqueous KOH or NaOH, we get final compound as a benzyl alcohol. So this is the first nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now second reaction is substitution by Cl. Again we are using KCl, means potassium cyanide we use here. We use aqueous solution of it. Whenever this aqueous solution of KCl react with benzyl chloride, simple substitution reaction takes place. Instead of Cl we substitute Cl. So we get the compound CH2. Now it becomes Cl. Now we know that this is a benzyl group. So what is the name of this compound? It becomes benzene cyanide. Okay. The third one is reaction with ammonia. So whenever ammonia reacts with benzyl chloride, again substitution takes place, means Cl get substituted by NH2 and HCl get removed. What is the name of this compound? Again this is a benzyl, this is amino, so it is a benzyl amine. Okay, so this is the third nucleophilic substitution reaction. The next one is the substitution by OR. It is an ether group. Okay, so here benzyl chloride reacts with sodium methoxide. Now what is this sodium methoxide? We know that it is a methanol. Whenever one H of methanol get substituted by metal, that is sodium, it becomes sodium methoxide. So when this react with sodium methoxide, what happened? Here this OCH3 get substituted in place of Cl, and we get the compound CH2 as it is. Oxygen comes here, and after that CH3 comes here. So this O bonding is called as the ether compound. So how we name it? This is a benzyl group, okay, and this is a methyl group. B comes alphabetically first, then methyl. So we write down here benzyl, then it is a methyl. So benzyl, methyl, and what is the name of this functional group? It is ether. So what we got? We got benzyl methyl ether as a final product. So it is a fourth substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now in the next one, there is a substitution by ester group. Again, what is ester? Do you know that? This is a carboxylic acid. Whenever this H of the carboxylic acid get substituted by any alkyl group, it becomes a ester. So we are going to substitute Cl by COOR group. How? We take the silver salt of acid. Again we are taking, this is a, you know that it is a acetic acid. Whenever this H get substituted by silver metal, so it becomes silver salt of acetic acid, or it is also called as silver acetate. So whenever it reacts, here Cl get substituted by this group. So what we get? We get the compound where CH2 remains as it is, and that Cl becomes COOCH3 plus AgCl get precipitated here. So now what is the name of this reaction of the compound? So it is a benzyl acetate. Okay, it is a ester. So this is all about the nucleophilic substitution reaction that are carried out by the compound benzyl chloride. In the next video, we will discuss the electrophilic substitution reaction carried out by benzyl chloride.